What's up, everybody? It's Shelly with Hoodie News. Let's talk about earning money on YouTube. You don't need 1 million subscribers to make it big on YouTube. Here are real tips for small creators to level up, grow their channel, and start seeing that cash flow. We're diving deep into the secrets of YouTube success. SEO, branding, AI tools, you name it, we're covering it. So buckle up and get ready to learn, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to crush it on YouTube. Think you need millions of subscribers to make money on YouTube? Think again. Today we'll break down how small creators are earning income through smart strategies, SEO, personal branding, and AI tools. Listen up, because this is where things get good. YouTube isn't just for the big guys with millions of subscribers. It's a goldmine for small creators like you and me. So building your own brand, create a community of awesome people who dig your vibe, and make some serious cash. The YouTube Partner Program is your golden ticket to ad revenue once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for long-form videos. Affiliate marketing is where it's at. Find products you love, share them with your audience, and boom, earn commission on every sale. And don't even get me started on sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for passionate creators with a dedicated following, no matter how big or small. Oh, it's not just a fancy acronym. It's the secret sauce to getting your videos seen by the right people. Think of it like this. If your video is hidden in a sea of content, no one's going to find it. That's where SEO swoops in to save the day. It's all about understanding what people are searching for and then optimizing your videos to match. First things first, keyword research. We're talking TubeBuddy, vidIQ, all those awesome tools that help you find the words people are actually typing into the search bar. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to craft those click-worthy titles. And don't forget those descriptions and tags. Use your keywords naturally, give viewers a sneak peek of what's to come, and make sure to include relevant tags to help YouTube understand what your video is all about. Oh, and one more thing, thumbnails. Those tiny images are the first thing people see, so make them pop. Bright colors, bold fonts, and clear visuals are key to grabbing attention. Chapter 3. Finding your voice. Be yourself, be different, be successful. There are 1 million YouTube channels out there. How do you stand out? Be yourself. Your unique voice and quirks draw people in. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? Let your enthusiasm shine. Choose a niche you enjoy. Consistency is key. Set a schedule and stick to it. More uploads mean more chances to grow. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments. Run polls. Host live streams. People want to be part of a community. Be authentic, be real, and watch your channel transform. Chapter 4. AI tools. Level up your content and turbocharge your growth. AI is everywhere these days, and for good reason. It's like having a team of assistants to help you create epic content, save time, and boost your income. Game changers like ChatGPT and Jasper AI generate killer scripts and titles. Canva and Adobe Express create stunning thumbnails and social media graphics. Descript and CapCut make video editing easier with captions and animated texts. Stay ahead, create content people want, and watch your channel soar. Start creating and show the world what you're made of. Comment below. What's your YouTube niche? Let's support each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more creator tips.